In this video, I'm going to show you how you can apply rich text to notes and task descriptions. This feature allows you to format your notes and tasks with bold, underline, italic, links, and even lists, making your documentation clearer, more structured, and easier to digest for your team. You can access this feature under the opportunity, tasks, and note sections, under the contacts and note sections, as well as in the contacts and tasks section. So let's start with the opportunities. Click on opportunities on the left, opportunities at the top, and then select a opportunity in question. Then you can click on notes or on the tasks, up to you. Let's go to notes, click add note, and here you can add your note. And then you can start to edit it. Mark this, for example, with bold, important info with underline, access with italic, and here maybe you want to add a link that sends the user back to a document in your Google Drive or whatever. You want to open in a new tab, hit save, and here we go. You can also add lists. So let's add item 1, 2, 3. Let's highlight it and click on disk list. Perfect. Once you've worked through your list, you can also cross off items like this. That shows the next person, hey, Tina has already worked on item number 1, for example. You can also change this to numbers instead of bullet points. And then you can also click undo or redo. You can also go ahead and change the text color. So this is important info. I would make that red, for example. Ta-da, here we go. Don't forget to hit save bottom right. And your note is attached to this opportunity now. Here you can see the opportunity card. If you wanted to edit it, click the 3 dots and click on edit or delete it. Now same for the task. Click on the task, click add task. Add your text, and the same as before, we can bold it, underline it, italic it, strike it through, change the text, hyperlink it anywhere we want, make a list, bullet points or numbers, undo or redo. Now, let's head over to contacts. Find your contact in question, click on it, and here on the right hand side, you can find notes, click on it, add a note, and here you see the same box with the same rich text options. Bold, underline, italic, strike through, text color. Last but not least, you can do the same thing in tasks, so click on task, select any existing task or create a new one, and then in the description you have the same options to format your text. I hope you like this feature, which will help you to keep all your notes very structured and easy to read. I will see you in the next one.